If you're trying to get more vegetables into your diet, then you need to try my soy ginger marinated bok choy. It is so good, so quick and easy. My kids absolutely love this as well. So this recipe is in my weight loss guide and cookbook, Plantifully Lean, so you can follow along in there if you have it. So I like to prep my bok choy and just cut the stems off. Bok choy is one of my favorite vegetables. It grows really easily. I grow it in my garden every single year. Give it a rinse, and then you're gonna put it in a pot with a little bit of water and a steaming basket, and you're gonna steam this so lightly for just 1 minute. You don't want it to get really soft. You want it to cook very quickly. So for the marinade, I'm just gonna add some soy sauce, some seasoned rice vinegar, a little bit of water, some minced garlic, a little minced ginger, and then I'm gonna add some chili paste, a little maple syrup, and the tiniest splash of toasted sesame oil. I'm gonna give that a mix and it's ready to go. So now our bok choy is done, and as you can see, it is still very bright green. All we wanted to do was take that raw bite off of it. So when I say only steam it for a minute, I mean it. So now we're just going to transfer the bok choy over to a bowl here, and I'm going to add my marinade, and I'm going to save half of this for my dumplings and rice. So just pour about half of it in and then just let it sit there for 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready to go. So it's been 5 minutes. I like to add some chili flakes on top and then a little sprinkle of sesame seeds as well. It's so beautiful. And like I said, my entire family loves this bok choy. I have to make a ton. This is really just enough for me, and it is so good. I love to pair it with rice, and tonight I felt fancy, so I made some dumplings as well, and it is absolutely delicious, guys. And the longer it sits in the marinade, the more flavorful it gets. So if you want to let it sit there for 10, 15, 20 minutes, go ahead and do that. I hope you enjoy.